Hello everyone, my name is Khush Patel and today in this video we are solving LeetCode problem number 557, reverse words in string 3. So we are given a string, we have to reverse each word in the character, word in the string that are provided. So for example 1, we can see our sentence is let's take LeetCode contest. So as you can see, the first word is let's. So we have reverse our word let's. Then second word is take. So we have reversed that and so on. So we have to do this for each word in the string, and at the last we have to return that string. So for this question, my approach will be I will use simple while loop, and I will save each word in any string, and then I will reverse it and push that into our answer. So let's try to solve that. So first of all, for the iterate the loop, I will use an integer and then I will make a string to save our current word. Secondly, I will make a string to store our answer, and then I will make a loop. I will use a while loop here. If our size is greater than I, then this loop will iterate. And so our first condition would be if our current character is empty, then we know that our word is finished here, so that we can do whatever conditioning we have to store our word to save in answer. We will do that here. And also I have to make another condition that that if it is the last word, then any space will not come at the last. So we have to make another condition that our if our I becomes as at the size of our string, then also this condition should run. Why I have not minus because we have to also take the T last character of the last word too. So that's why I have not made is by minus one. Uh, After that, I will make conditions here. Another in if our current character is not empty space, then else in every word we have to push it in into the our current word. So for that, I am writing this. So if it is not space, then we will save all in the current word. So you know that we have stored current word in the curr string. Now, if any space comes, then we know that this word is finished. Then we will reverse it. We will reverse our current dot begin and current to the current dot end, and save that in the our answer string. At the last, when our loop ends, I will simply return our answer string. Let's try to run this. So there was some compile error. Let's look at where the problem is. So our line number 10, I think that is something. Okay, so there was the spelling mistake. Okay, let's try to run this again. Okay, so there. is some problem there. As you can see, our output is not with space here. So we have to also create some space too. For that, I will simply add empty string at the answer. You know that when our loop will come to the last word, it will also give space at the end. So for that reason, I will simply pop our last character, which will be the empty string. Let's try to run this again. Okay, so there are still some errors. Okay, so our current string is not being empty. So for that reason, it is saving all old words and new words in the same string. So so that's why our string was having some errors. There are still some errors that are okay. So our error is in the last word, as you can see. Take lead code contest. Okay, so our last character, last word is not our last word is not added here. So let's check where the problem is. Okay, so we have to simply just iterate our loop to the one another time so that our last word can be captured in the our CURR string. As you can see, our both the example cases are solved accepted here. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so our solution is accepted here and beats 1.45% of solution and uses 0 millisecond, 10 millisecond of runtime. So as you can see in this video, we have got many errors and we have solved it step by step. So you can use same approach for solving LeetCode problems, not only for this problem, for any problem. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.